Welcome back to my Handcrafty channel. Guess the answer by hint. Test your skill by answering the hint before starting. Please subscribe this channel. Let's start with this easy hints. City of culture and heritage. Answer Lahore. City of lights. Yes, answer Karachi. Heart of Pakistan, capital city. Yes, answer Islamabad. Clue: gateway to Khyber. Yes, right, Peshawar. Clue: fruit basket of Pakistan. Yes, right, Quetta. Clue: Manchester of Pakistan. Yes, right, Faisalabad. Clue: city of saints. Yes, right, Multan. Clue: city of bridges. Yes, right, Sucker. Clue: city of bangles and sweets. Yes, right, Hyderabad. Clue: hill heart of Pakistan. Yes, right, Murray. Clue: city of wrestlers. Yes, right, Gujranwala. Clue: hub of sports industry. Yes, right, Sialkot. Clue: cradle of education. Yes, right, Abbottabad. Clue: heart of Kashmir. Yes, right, Muzaffarabad. Clue: livestock center. Yes, right, Sahil. Clue: agricultural city. Yes, right, Rahim Yar Khan. City of palaces. Yes, right, Bahawalpur. Clue: City of soldiers. Yes, right, Jhelum. Clue: Land of bravehearts. Yes, right, Chakwal. Clue: Gateway to Baluchistan. Yes, right, Kuzdar. Thanks for watching.